In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate files while uploading to Google Drive Cloud Duplicate Finder. First, open your browser and head to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that holds the files you want to tidy up. It's a good idea to double check you're in the right account if you manage multiple profiles. The goal is to prevent duplicates from piling up as you add files, so we'll use a tool that scans your drive and helps you clean things up quickly. Now search the web for Cloud Duplicate Finder and open the official site. On the home page, choose Sign Up using Google. This lets the tool connect to your drive securely without you having to create a separate username or password. When the window pops up, select your Google account and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to grant permission so the tool can scan your files. This access is necessary for it to identify duplicates. Review the permissions, then click Continue to Authorize. Back in Cloud Duplicate Finder, choose Google Drive as your cloud source. If this is your first time here, click Add New Drive to link your drive. Pick your account again if prompted, and finalize the connection. If you're on a work or school account, ensure your administrator allows third-party connections. A stable internet connection helps, especially if you have a large drive. Once your drive is connected, click Google Drive in the dashboard to proceed. Next, choose the custom file option. Here's where you can fine-tune what the scan looks for. If you want a thorough cleanup, select all the available boxes so the tool checks documents, images, videos, audio, archives, and more. If you prefer to focus on specific types, you can narrow it down, but selecting everything ensures nothing is missed. When your selections are set, click Scan. The tool will analyze your drive for duplicates using file attributes and, where possible, content checks. The scan time depends on how much data you have. You can let it run and come back. When it's done, you'll see a scan completed successfully notification. Click that to open the results. From the results page, you'll be able to review groups of duplicate files and decide what to keep or remove. I recommend scanning the list carefully and keeping at least one copy of anything important. If you're cautious, consider creating a quick backup folder in Drive before making changes. That's it. You've connected your Google Drive, configured what to scan, run the scan, and opened the results, putting you in a perfect position to clear those duplicates and keep your drive clutter-free.